Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our virtual classes program with Kids International School, School at Home, Class 4, Subject Computer, and I am your computer teacher J.M. Khan. Today we are going to discuss our third chapter more about Windows 10, right? And today we are going to discuss Windows 10 desktop, right? In previous video we already discussed features of Windows and what are the operating system, different types of operating system, Windows operating system, Mac OS, and open source Linux. Okay, so hope you are practicing at home, and let us continue with our today's topic, Windows 10 desktop. So today we are going to discuss our Windows 10 desktop. Here you can see, if I am minimizing it, here you can see this is a desktop. I am moving my cursor, so pay attention. Okay, so today whenever I will point my cursor, you can see over the screen, so you have to pay attention to my cursor. For example, now I am pointing cursor on this PC. Okay, so pay attention. So Windows 10 desktop. What is mean by Windows 10 desktop? Desktop means the screen. Okay, the main screen that appears after you start. Okay, and you can say boot up, right? That means what is if you are starting the PC, it means you are booting it. That means it is a booting process. Clear? So after starting, when the screen is appear, so this screen will appear after starting. So this is known as this screen is known as desktop. So keep in your mind. So today we are discussing the layout, this whole layout of desktop, and what are the different things we can see on a desktop. Okay, that thing we are going to discuss. Clear? So let us start with our first thing, that means icon. Okay, let us start with icon. See, here you can see, which I am selecting over here, these things on desktop is known as icons. Clear? Okay, this thing is taskbar, this thing where I am right click it, so it is taskbar, right? And here are some taskbar tools. Okay, here are some taskbar tools on which by right click we can decide where to keep it or how to customize it. Okay, and in the right side here, in the left side, the left bottom corner, we have start button. Okay, if I click on it, so you can see what is open, what opens here, right? And next thing, okay, let me close it. Next thing, there's a right bottom corner, you can see date and time over here. So this is desktop functioning tray. Okay, and here you can see notification things, time, date and time, your internet and speakers and battery, that is 9% available right now. And here are some hidden icons. In last, okay, in last, direct desktop shortcut we have. Clear? So different things, these kind of things in details we are going to discuss today. First, what is mean by icons? You can see here these small pictures. See, this is Mozilla Firefox, VLC, this PC. Okay, network and Filmora, WinZip, RecycleBin, Control Panel, Adobe Reader, and Google Chrome. So these things are known as icons. Okay, but why these small pictures is known as icon? And it is a shortcut keys for a program or for a software, for application. Okay, for example, if I am clicking if I am selecting this PC, okay, you know very well, if I am click once, so it means to select. If I double click it, it means open. Clear? So this is a shortcut, or you can say a kind of gateway, okay, for a program application. So this is called an icon. Okay, we can see many icons on a desktop. Clear? So this is the thing we known as, these are not icons, right? These are not icons. Icons are these things. Clear? I am selecting. Okay, I drag it. Okay, I drag it and select multiple things at once. Clear? So here, if I see, this is an image over here. Icon of image. If I select it or if I open it, our school logo will open. Clear? JETS International School. So from here I am closing it. That's why we are taking today like a practical on a direct screen of the Windows 10 screen. Clear? Next thing is a taskbar. This is a taskbar. Clear? So in this taskbar, multiple things you have over here. Sorry. So this is long horizontal bar which appears at the bottom. Okay, but it is not fixed. Clear? If you want to move it, okay, so you can move it here or here or here, but it is many people to keep this taskbar at the bottom side for ease of handling, for ease of functioning. Clear? So you can move it. Okay, if you lock this taskbar, it will be locked over here. Clear? Otherwise you can move it here and move it upward also. Clear? Okay, next thing that we can see over here, this is a start button. Okay, if I press it, so you can see app list is appear. Clear? And menu, you can see a different application menu. For example, Paint, right? File Explorer, VLC Media, Chrome, and Autodesk Sketchbook, Alarm Clock, Adobe Reader, Bubble with 3 Saga, and Mail, Maps. Different programs will appear over here. Clear? And here also we have some different logos, or can say like Skype, Microsoft Edge, Windows Explorer, Internet Explorer, Mail, Solitaire Gaming. Okay, these kind of icons will appear in the menu. Okay, menu of softwares will appear over here. Clear? If you do not find, if you want to choose anything like calculator, okay, if you want to start calculator, clear, and you will search over here where is calculator, and if you are not able to find calculator over here, what you will do, you will search over here directly calculator, CAL, then calculator will appear and you will open calculator over here by double click it. See? Clear? Okay, one more thing. These are programs, icon list. Okay, and these are tiles. Right? Clear? These are tiles, and these are program list, app list, you can say. Clear? Here you have clock, and then you have system tray over here. Okay, this is known as clock, and this is system tray, where you can keep multiple things. It is customized. It can be customized by the user. You can keep anything. For example, I have kept here WinZip, okay, Defender, multiple things I have kept over here. So this is a system tray, and this is a notification place, right? And this is a clock with the date, and here is desktop. For example, I started this thing, okay, and if I want to submit all these things directly, I will press over, I will click this last thing. You can see over here, this is last thing, okay. So you will see the desktop directly. So it is a desktop shortcut, clear? And one more thing, here is a search box. Here is a search box where you can search anything like Google. It is like Google Assistant, and the name of this assistant is known as Cortana. This is Cortana search box. This search box where we can type and query any query and any search that will direct you to, after entering, that will direct you to the solution of your query, clear? So this is about our desktop, few things, icons, and how to see different application. This is known as tiles, right? This is system tray, this is a clock, and this is desktop shortcut, clear? And here we have one thing, that is task view icon. Here this thing is task view, okay. Which operation, which task is going on, you can see by clicking on it. So if I click it, so you can see Filmora and record, one explorer is open, clear? So you can see by task view, clear? So hope this is all clear for all of you, right? This is a basic thing, basic introduction for the desktop, and a small introduction. Hope you will practice. If you have Windows 10 at your home, so you can practice it at your home, clear? So in next video we will see some more advanced thing, like opening an app in Windows 10, and how to close it, how to tile it, okay. So different things we will see definitely in our next video, clear? So be careful and pay attention to our studies. Stay safe. Thank you so much.